Welcome to Cryptobit, your go-to source for everything cryptocurrency related. In this video, we will be exploring ChatGPT, a state-of-the-art language model that is revolutionizing the field of natural language processing. ChatGPT is an advanced artificial intelligence tool that is designed to understand and generate human-like responses to text-based conversations. It uses a complex neural architecture that is capable of processing large amounts of data and generating complex responses in real time. At the heart of ChatGPT is its massive training dataset, which consists of a huge collection of text-based content from across the internet. This dataset is what allows ChatGPT to develop a deep understanding of language and learn the intricacies of human communication. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its neural architecture, which is designed to process large amounts of data and generate responses in real time. This architecture is made up of a series of interconnected nodes and layers that work together to analyze and understand text-based input. The neural architecture of ChatGPT is also what enables it to perform complex natural language processing tasks, such as sentiment analysis, entity recognition, and part-of-speech tagging. These techniques are essential for understanding and generating text-based responses in a way that is natural and human-like. However, building and using a language model like ChatGPT comes with its own set of challenges and limitations. One of the main challenges is training the model on large datasets, which can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. Nevertheless, recent advances in computing power and machine learning algorithms have made this process more efficient. Another challenge is ensuring that the data used to train ChatGPT is diverse and representative of different communities and perspectives. Without diverse training data, the model may be biased or fail to understand certain types of language and communication. There are also ethical concerns around the use of AI and its potential impact on human labor. While ChatGPT has the potential to transform fields like customer service, education, and healthcare, it is important to ensure that it is used in a responsible and ethical manner. Despite these challenges, ChatGPT has already had a profound impact on a variety of industries. In the field of customer service, for example, companies are using ChatGPT-powered chatbots to provide fast and efficient support to their customers. By integrating ChatGPT into customer service platforms, companies can provide personalized and effective support to their customers without the need for human operators. In education, ChatGPT is being used to create personalized learning experiences for students. By analyzing the unique needs and learning styles of individual students, educators can provide tailored support that is designed to help each student reach their full potential. In healthcare, ChatGPT is being used to develop chatbots that can provide fast and efficient support to patients. By understanding and responding to patient inquiries in real time, healthcare providers can ensure that their patients are receiving the care and support they need, when they need it most. Finally, ChatGPT is also being used in content creation. By generating text-based content in real time, ChatGPT is allowing creators to quickly and efficiently produce high-quality content for a variety of mediums, including blogs, social media, and advertising. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that is transforming the way we think about natural language processing. It uses a sophisticated neural architecture, a massive training dataset, and a variety of natural language processing techniques to generate human-like responses to text-based conversations. While it comes with its own set of challenges and limitations, ChatGPT has already had a significant impact on a variety of industries, and has the potential to transform even more in the future. Whether you're a developer, student, entrepreneur, or simply interested in the future of AI and natural language processing, understanding ChatGPT is crucial. As the technology continues to evolve and improve, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the future. However, it is important to recognize that the development and use of AI must be done responsibly and ethically, to ensure that the benefits are shared by all. At Cryptobit, we are committed to providing you with the latest news, insights, and information on the world of cryptocurrency and related technologies. We hope that this video has provided you with a deeper understanding of ChatGPT and its potential applications. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on the world of cryptocurrency.